Year 9 Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about natural selection. Natural selection. Natural selection is the process of organisms changing over time due to changes in their environment. The first stage of a change in a species is often an environmental change, for example, that there is now less snow. It is easier for a fox to see a white rabbit against the background without the snow than a gray or brown one. This means that white rabbits are more likely to be eaten by the fox, and so the white rabbits are less likely to pass on their genes. Over time the rabbit population becomes grayer and browner because the individuals with gray or brown fur are more likely to survive to reproduce. When an environmental change occurs, it is random as to which individuals have adaptations that make them more suited to the new environment. Evolution is the name given to the process wherein the characteristics of an organism changes over time. The theory of this process was developed by Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace. Their theory states that natural selection leads to evolution. If some members of a species are cut off from other members for an extended time period, then both groups can change enough that they are unable to reproduce with each other and produce fertile offspring. This means that the two groups are now two separate species. A group of bears got separated. One set of bears was in a green wooded land, and the others were in a snowy landscape. The bears in the snow changed color over time as the individuals with the lightest fur were best adapted and so were better able to hunt and survive. Over time these became two separate species, the polar bear and the grizzly bear. Some individuals in a population are more likely to survive a change in environment. As these individuals are more likely to reproduce, and so over time the members of the species change due to these pressures.